Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the channel. We have done a lot of reviews and first impressions of multiple watches, sometimes leaving you wanting more. However, this time it's different. This watch could be the perfect all-in-one solution for all your daily needs. Today, we are unboxing and reviewing a field watch that punches well above its weight. Presenting Lorus Lumibrite, and the reference number is RJ655AX9. It's a rugged, affordable field watch with solid specs and an unbeatable glow. Is this the best budget field watch? Let's find out. Let's take it out of the box and check the dimensions first. The dial size is 37.3 mm, thickness is 8.4 mm, lug width is 18 mm, and lug to lug is 43 mm. I purchased the watch from Desert Card and paid 6,000 Indian rupees, which is about $70 US. The peat blasted stainless steel case gives it a rugged feel, and the overall design is clean and uncluttered. The case back is a screw-down type and does not have much information except Lorus logo, VJ33 movement, and 100-meter water resistance. The watch uses push and pull crown. The crown is unsigned and it is protected by these grooves on both sides. The watch comes with a 18 mm single pass nylon strap. This strap seems durable and feels like it can withstand everyday wear and tear. Let's discuss the highlights of the watch, or probably the reason why you would consider buying the watch. The dial is where this watch shines. I mean, literally. The pale white dial with the hint of green with bold Arabic numerals offers superb readability. But the real highlight is the Lorus's signature Lumibrite coating. This thing glows like a torch in the dark, so much so that it could even rival some premium Seiko models. I mean, this can get you caught if you're hiding from someone in the dark. For those who are unaware, Lorus and Alba, they both are sub-brands of Seiko Watch Corporation. While Lorus primarily targets the European market, Alba is focused on Asian and Middle Eastern countries. Alba too have some models available with the same kind of dial, but we will talk about it some other day. The watch uses hardened mineral crystal. It's not as scratch resistant as Sapphire, but I mean, it offers decent durability at this price point. The day date window is at 3 o'clock position and the watch houses VJ33 quartz movement. It's a field watch dial. R markers, Lorus, Lumibrite, everything is printed in black color. The sword type hands and arrow second hand are also treated with black coating, which provides excellent readability no matter what the light conditions are. And this is how it glows in the dark. Now it's time to try this on and find out if it is wrist-worthy or not. So this is how it goes on my 7-inch wrist, and it feels incredibly lightweight and comfortable. The 37mm case wears perfectly on most wrist sizes, which suits its field watch aesthetic perfectly. The slim profile makes it easy to wear under sleeves, and the nylon strap adds to the overall comfort. The watch has a well-balanced presence and offers a rugged and refined look. The nylon strap is soft and comfortable and can easily be replaced with standard 18mm straps. Case have holes on lugs, which makes it easy to remove the pins. Overall, the on-wrist experience is just amazing. Let's check how it looks when compared with Boderi Voyager and another field watch. If you haven't seen our review on Boderi Voyager, please click on the link in the description below. In conclusion, for the price, the Lorus Lumibrite is an awesome field watch that delivers on most fronts. It's rugged, lightweight, and has one of the best lumes in its category. With 100-meter water resistance, a durable stainless steel case, and a reliable quartz movement, it's a fantastic option for those who are looking for a dependable everyday watch. While it may lack sapphire crystal and a screw-down type crown, it excels in terms of practicality, legibility, and affordability, and not going to leave you high and dry. If you are in the market for a solid no-nonsense field watch, it might just be your next wrist-worthy purchase. That wraps up our review of the Lorus Lumibrite. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And remember, every great collection starts with a watch that's truly wrist-worthy. And if this video has helped you to decide on Lorus Lumibrite, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more watch content. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wristworthy.